I'm Abdul Ghali, rally champion, Red Bull Motorsport athlete. I've been dancing with cars all over the world. But today it's different.
The Bias is a force that does not ask, it takes. Anything in its path is carried, crushed, or claimed.
The Harrier.ev and me, we're about to do something really wild.
Control to Dado. We just unleashed the Bias. Time to move like your life depends on it. Because it does.
3 stages, 1 river, 0 margin.
Are you ready to outrun the surge?
Let's do it.
Loose rocks rolling. Stay sharp and stay quick. Stage 2 is live. Water above the wheels. This is where most fail. The river seems calm on top, but underneath, it's a riot. I'm reading heavy subsurface currents. The surge is almost on you. You have to cross over before that.
Copy. Loud and clear.
This is the deepest cut of the river. All rocks. No mercy. Water's got a heavy flow there. Don't slow down now. You will float. One wrong move, and the river takes the car.
Guys, I've got this.
Delete the noise. Delete the limits. Delete the downs. This is Harrier.ev. And this isn't a story about being big and flashy. It's about SUV DNA, proven, authentic, bold, unstoppable. Harrier.ev with quad-wheel drive. Delete impossible.